Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another best website. You can claim your free torrent from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the website. This website name is Tronjunkie torrent, and this website link available in the description. The registration is very easy. Go to register, put your username, email, password, confirm password, and just paste your payment address of the Faucetpay. Okay, this is Tron. You can paste your Tron wallet address, or you can paste it your Faucetpay wallet address. Okay, just I click login because I have already account. I'll show you how you can earn from this website. Okay, this will be tell you the bots. Okay, just click the bot, solve the capture, and just click login. Okay, please wait few seconds. Okay, the first way is the faucet. You can claim your free faucet from this website. Okay, how you can claim your free faucet? Just click this one, solve a letter capture. Just there's a bicycle, no bicycle available in here. Refresh, and right now it's bicycle. Just click verify, just click claim now. Okay, wait few seconds to reload the page and solve this little capture of the link. Okay, please wait to solving the capture. Okay, right now I click I'm human. Link will be ready after 2 or 3 seconds. Okay, just click get the link. Okay, this too easy, not too much bad, but this will be pay me in my Faucetpay. I go to my Faucetpay right now. Okay, now you can see I didn't receive. Okay, this is the torrent I received in my account. You can see this is the withdrawal of the torrent. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. This website link available in description, and you can claim again and again and again. Okay, you can claim multiple times, and you can refer your friends to come join this website, and you can earn 10% of the referral commission. Bye bye for now.